Okay, so today I'm taking a look at the calendar, and I want to start off with just giving you guys a glimpse of what the Authentic You Cycle 6 calendar is all about. So to make it easy for posting, this calendar is primarily used for social media posting. Okay, so it's here to get you ready, to cut down the time. So I'll just show you how quickly it is to make a daily post. So today is Dr. Martin Luther King's Jr.'s Day. And so with this, you have, this is in fuchsia color. So it's a highlighted vacation or highlighted national holidays. So I always put those in a fuchsia color. So it makes it really simple and easy. So then I just need to post something today in celebration of him. So what I do is I go over to our calendar and our images. And so today I have this image right here. So this is the image that you could use. You can modify, you can change it, you can add different things to it, which I think I probably will. But if you don't want to do that, it is ready to go. You can just add something. I left spaces like the red area, this area right here. So if you want to put your brand and your brand name or something about it, you can just modify it again in Canva. Okay, so I'm going to escape out of this. Let's see, get out of that. Okay, so it has every month. I have like different things for the month. So this is January, but every month I have like a different set of. So like for next month, February, here are a bunch of images that are already set and ready to go. Okay, every month there are just a ton of them that are going to be there available that you could use, you know, all of these different things, daylight saving time, springtime, just has like this. It's also Women's Equality Day is in that. So I put lots of things in there. St. Patrick's Day is in there. So you can just kind of get the point. Okay, so I'm going to take that image from Canva and just kind of spice it up a little bit. And then I'll come back and show you how easy it is to post it. Okay, great. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of changed it a little bit. So I took the basic post and I added things to it. I added the peace, love, and justice, faith, hope, and integrity. These are the things that I think when I think about Dr. Martin Luther King. And I also added my website on there so that I can brand me along with this post for today, as well as I think I'm going to go back in here and add one more thing because I do want to make sure that I add in the doctor part. Down and then pull that back up. So I just kind of made some very, very slight changes to everything here. Got it all in here. Yeah, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Yes, because he was a doctor. He was also a reverend as well. So but I just want to add that in there. So now I'm just ready in Canva. I'm just going to download this into a picture image. Yeah, just a picture image for today. I keep it very, very simple. I love how when you resize it, this is only if you have a pro membership, you can go ahead and resize the same thing. So it automatically, it's just one click. So to resize it to an Instagram post, an Instagram story, which is also the same thing as a reel, so you could use the same thing. And then Twitter, just one click. So if you have a membership, it's real easy to resize these things. So I'm not going to do that because I concentrate on one platform at a time. So, and I think I've already resized it. It's a part of the calendar, so it automatically comes in multiple sizes. So I'm going to just take that, and so now this is ready to go over to Facebook and to just post it whenever you feel like it. So I'm going to do a posting on this today. So plain and simple, I just kind of refresh my page here, and then I can come in and talk about whatever I want to talk about here, or I can just post it directly to my page. Either way, it all goes to the same place. But I can just go here, and this is amazing because this is already done. So you see how quickly using the calendar, the Authentic You calendar, it allows you to be able to get posts up quickly so you don't have to spend your entire day trying to figure out what you're going to post. The calendar comes with everything you need in the calendar. I'll show it to you once more. This is the Authentic You calendar. It is 365 days worth of absolutely what to post. It comes with images. It comes with, so if I want to do lives or anything like that, here are some ideas of what to do for 3 live stream topics. I give you 12 a month. So you could talk about any of those things. So it's an amazing calendar. I'm going to put the tag in there if you want to take a look at how to access this calendar for yourself, so you don't have to be concentrating. This is a perfect calendar for solopreneurs because you don't have a lot of time to be messing around trying to figure out what to write to your audience. So I'm going to put the link in there to show you how you can personalize this calendar just for you. Okay, great. Thanks, guys. Thanks for listening. Bye.